So, is the brand new Xgimi RS30 series really worth dropping nearly $1,300 on? I just got my hands on the Ultramax model, and let me tell you, this thing is wild. If you're into home cinema or hardcore gaming, listen up. First, let's talk specs. The Ultramax blasts a ridiculous 6,800 ISO lumens and rocks a 7,000 to 1 native contrast ratio. That means pro-level brightness and jaw-dropping detail, even if you're watching with some lights on. If you're a movie buff, you will not be disappointed. Gamers, this is where it gets exciting. I'm talking 240 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, plus VRR and AMD FreeSync premium support. That's smoother than most high-end gaming monitors. I tested some fast-paced shooters and, wow, zero lag, no ghosting, just buttery smooth action. Now, let's get practical. The Eagle Eye 5.0 optics system means setup is a breeze, automatic keystone, obstacle avoidance, and a massive plus 130% vertical lens shift. Place it almost anywhere, and you're good. Add in dual 12-watt Harman Kardon speakers with Dolby Audio, DTS Virtual X, and IMAX Enhanced. Honestly, it could double as your main sound system. On the smart side, it's running a MediaTek MT9681 chip, with 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Super snappy interface, and no lag navigating menus or apps. But let's talk cash. The RS30 Pro starts just above $1,000, but the Ultramax I tested is closer to $2,000. Is it budget? Not really, but compared to other flagship projectors with these specs, that's actually a steal. If you're just casually watching TV, this may be overkill. But if you want a true home theater or elite gaming experience, the RS30 series delivers. One tip, if you're outside China, keep an eye on ORM's Direct or Amazon for the global Horizon 30 launch. So, is the Xgimi RS30 series worth it? For movie lovers and gamers.